what I have to do today. Alright, that looks easy enough. Well, that was a cinch. I guess since I'm done with that, now I have to wrap the present for Emma's birthday party. Alright, let's see, get the box off of the shelf here and put the present in, and now I'm done. That was easy. Now I have to make cookies. Okay. Oh, these smell so amazing. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to try one. Now I guess I have to wash London, only the most rambunctious puppy in the whole house. Oh, no, London, stop. No. Ugh. Alright. Put you in there and stick you up. Oh, no, London, no. Oh my gosh. Well, now who wants to go out for a walk?